I'm gonna show you how to connect MT4 or MT5 to TradingView. So to get started, you have to open your tradingview.com, and then once you are here, unfortunately you cannot connect or trade MT4 MT5 on TradingView. Although, however, you can still trade in any brokers in TradingView. So to do that, all you have to do is just click here and then connect through our trusted brokers, or you can just click whatever you want to choose from. So from there you can choose whatever broker you can trade into, but no, there is no MT4 or MT5. Or you can just click on here or in explore brokers, and you will be redirected to another page where you can sign in or create your account, so you can find all of your brokers here. So that's how you connect or MT4 MT5 on TradingView.